Dictation start after 5 seconds. Start. A minister desiring to move for leave to introduce a bill shall give in writing the notice of one's intention to do so. The period of notice of a motion for leave to introduce a bill under this direction shall be 7 days unless the speaker allows the motion to be made at shorter notice. No bill shall be included for introduction in the last of business for a day until after copies thereof have been made available for the use of members for at least 2 days before the day on which the bill is proposed to be introduced, provided that appropriation bills, finance bills, and such secret bills as are not put down in the list of business may be introduced without prior circulation of copies to members, provided further that in other cases where the minister desired that the bill may be introduced earlier than 2 days after the circulation of copies or even without prior circulation, the minister shall give full reason in a memorandum for the consideration of the speaker, explaining as to why the bill is sought to be introduced without making available to members copies thereof in advance, and if the speaker gives permission, the bill shall be included in the list of business for the day on which the bill is proposed to be introduced, where a motion that a bill be circulated for the purpose of electing opinion thereon is carried, the bill shall be circulated to the state governments, who shall be asked to forward in duplicate their opinion on the provisions of the bill, and the opinions of members of state legislatures and of such public bodies, selected officer, and any other person as the state governments may think fit to consult as soon as possible, but not later than the expiry of the date for circulation of the bill specified in the motion. The state governments shall also be asked to consult high courts in case the government of India considers it necessary to do so in this regard. The state governments shall also be asked to publish the bill in their gazettes and to make it clear therein that opinions by persons or public bodies shall be sent only through the state governments and not direct to the Secretary General or any ministry of the Government of India, where a date for circulation of the bill for electing opinion has not been specified in the motion. The state government shall be asked to send opinions within 3 months of the adoption of the said motion. Stop.